name is Stephen Burnett. I'm co-founder and chairman of Kooldbridge Energy. We have roughly 10 employees, 7 full-time. Our invention was an idea that came from a problem. There was a hurricane and my partner's residential power was out for 11 days. And he's a prolific inventor with about 400 granted patents. And he's a PhD electrical engineer, and he put his mind to work and he created a solution to that 11-day outage problem. My long-term goals over the next 5 to 10 years, number one, always, always, always do what is in the best interest of our shareholders. That's number one. Number two, I'd like to have an exit event for our shareholders who have believed in us for so many years. Number three, we would like to have an installed base of our smart load centers of at least 1 million, and that would be less than 1% market penetration among the 125 million homes that are out there. I also stay inspired because we are just at the tip of the iceberg in renewable energy. You know, there is a shift going on in how people think about renewable energy, but we are just in the tip of the iceberg, and we are part of that solution, which I'm very proud of, and that keeps me inspired.
Millions of homeowners are generating solar energy today, only to watch a significant portion go to waste because their electrical breaker panel wasn't designed to handle it. The technology to capture energy from the sun has leaped forward, but the breaker box on your wall has barely changed in decades. Koolbridge Energy was founded in 2013 with a mission to revolutionize the way homes manage smart, clean, and renewable energy. Their breakthrough is the Smart Load Center, the only UL-listed home energy management system that controls 2 incoming energy sources simultaneously, dynamically balancing energy to reduce utility bills, increase reliability during outages, and extend battery life. Congratulations to Koolbridge Energy on receiving the 2026 Coastal Entrepreneurial Award for Manufacturing and Distribution.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. Who loves that song? Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I would.
Thank you, Jeff. Those words were very nice, and I appreciate that. Hi, everyone. I'm Stephen Burnett, chairman and co-founder of Koolbridge Energy. And it's a great honor to be here tonight and represent our Koolbridge team, the shareholders, and our business partners. Thank you to Rob, Jamie, Heather, Jackie with SBTDC, and all of the judges who volunteered their time to make this event a success. And congratulations to all of my fellow winning entrepreneurs. Can we give them a round of applause? Awesome. Everyone and their companies are fantastic. It's off the charts. I did something slightly different tonight, and I wrote a brief poem. And instead of fly me to the moon, it's fly me to the sun. Fly me to the sun where energy is free and photons play, dance, and run. Take me to the place where Koolbridge can supply energy and help the human race. To Bill Griffin, Bob, and Gary, and the rest of the team, thank you for persevering and advancing our Smart Load Center dream. To Dave Sturdy and your staff of expert engineers, thank you for your power electronic knowledge that spans well over 50 years. To our family of Koolbridge shareholders who still stand by our side, thank you for your patience as we break through to the other side. Again, it's an honor to have been selected. I'm very thankful for our team and our shareholders and our business partners. Thank you very much.